STEPN explicitly is a low-position cryptographic money right now estimated at 38 cents that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $229,138,883 in a for the most part large manner. Over the in every way that really matters, recent years, digital currencies, including STEPN, laid out an essentially solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and generally are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms in an unpretentious way. Notwithstanding, being put resources into GMT or essentially other digital forms of money isn't the stroll in the park. It's important to follow the cryptographic money showcases carefully and basically respond to all their impulses, which could basically emerge from various central variables like administrative investigation or even a truly irregular auction. It's in every practical sense, extreme undertaking in any event, for full-time crypto examiners and essentially unthinkable for the people who don't. All things considered, consider crypto to be their main subject area in an especially significant manner fundamentally. Consequently, before taking into account the venture especially as GMT or any very other cryptographic money besides, you want to in a real sense grasp the real factors of this market, as well as the dangers and difficulties that you will unquestionably confront while holding computerized resources, or so they for the most part thought. We in a real sense have illustrated the most urgent of them beneath, or so they by and large thought. One can ignore the close-to-home strain that digital money holding can fundamentally put even on experienced financial backers, particularly on occasion of essentially profound and quick rectifications that could happen in any event during the most grounded upturns and result in 30%, 40% drawdowns that basically are normally fundamentally followed by even certainly more prominent breakouts to the potential gain. These gigantic cost vacillations happen in light of the fact that the general cryptographic money market capitalization really is still moderately little contrasted with the capitalization of gold or top US in a significant manner. Companies, so it takes altogether commonly less funding to sort of push the cost in one or the other course, particularly the cost of altcoins with pretty low market capitalization, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. What's much more nerve-wracking basically is the speed at which sharp inversions especially occur in these business sectors in a by and large huge manner. In some cases, it requires several hours at the cost to experience a plunge and truly upset the current market structure, or so they explicitly thought. Being engaged with crypto requires having nerves of steel and high gamble resilience in an unobtrusive way. In any case, the chance of becoming involved with a frenzied deal or crazy purchasing brought about by the feeling of dread toward passing up a major opportunity generally is extremely high, and it will most certainly truly undermine the respectability of especially your venture portfolio in an unobtrusive manner. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of STEPN to the level at 38 cents where it right now sits. As currently referenced, GMT really is a low-position cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 100th spot in worldwide digital money ranking, a metric that not set in stone by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which in a real sense is very critical. On account of STEPN, the market capitalization remains at $229,138,883. The significance of this boundary will fundamentally be made sense of later in a significant manner. Yesterday, on April 6, GMT truly was esteemed at 38 cents at the turn of the two exchanging meeting. Basically recall that cryptographic forms of money are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in a by and large significant manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 0.96% in a significant manner. 7 days prior, on Walk 31, STEPN certainly was exchanged at 38 cents at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its current situation in a significant manner. On Walk 7, which basically was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged GMT at 35 cents, the cost level that basically is at the distance of 7.06% from where it at present explicitly remains in an unpretentious manner. To start with, we might want to offer the transient value expectation of as long as a year going ahead, which would especially be ideally suited for thinking up the techniques in the event that you for the most part stick to any exchanging style aside from scalping. An exchanging style which suggests that you stand firm on the foothold for no longer than several hours, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. This figure would try and sort of be of a help to informal investors whose exchanging approach in a real sense is worked around pattern following, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, the outline underneath and the actual expectation would basically be of really extraordinary use for swing and positional merchants who plan to especially hold the coin like GMT for quite a long time on the off chance that months in an extremely enormous manner. The cost of GMT and the readings of 114 essentially are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, which is very huge. Market capitalization basically is one more significant, exceptionally metric that in every practical sense assists traders with especially deciding the prominence of the digital money being referred to as well as its future possibilities, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. It likewise used to survey the offer that STEPN in every practical sense holds inside the whole digital money market in an all things considered significant way. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization really is somewhat basic. The flowing stockpile of the cash being referred to especially is increased by its ongoing cost, which especially is very critical. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of GMT generally remains at $229,138,883, enough to name it the 100th biggest coin on the digital currency market, which generally is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on April 6th, the market capitalization of STEPN for the most part remained at $231,467,162. 7 days prior, on Walk 31, the capitalization of GMT generally was $230,340,669. A month prior, on Walk 7, how much most certainly capital streaming around this in every way that really matters. Specific market added up to $214,027,906 incredibly. Most digital money financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a specific digital money and its capacity to endure disturbances which are the normal event on this exceptionally unstable market. The greatest stockpile of STEPN basically is 6,000,000,000 GMT. The very complete inventory of GMT at present in a real sense remains at 6,000,000,000 coins in an unpretentious manner. The circling supply of the digital money under survey generally is 6,000,000,000 GMT in a genuinely significant manner. This STEPN cost forecast wouldn't explicitly be finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry since it's the measurement utilized by practically all cryptographic money brokers to especially affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move in a sort of large manner. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there especially is an especially high likelihood that this move is impractical and would sort of bring about a bullish snare in a sort of enormous manner. Consequently, it's vital to examine the truly past and the ongoing exchanging volume of GMT requests to explicitly comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength in an unobtrusive manner. Over the kind of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the STEPN market generally was enlisted at $38776,031, or so they sort of thought. Yesterday, on April 6th, GMT had an exchanging volume of $51982,753, which basically is very huge. 7 days prior, on Walk 31, the normal everyday exchanging volume on that market in a real sense added up to $67643,456 amazingly.